This video will be talking about how to format a date. You're able to not only format a date, but you can format anything within a cell. But first, before you can do any kind of changes to a cell, you have to select what cell you want to change. So here's the cell that we want to change, the one that says 6 September. And you notice that it says in the formula box up here on the formula bar, it says actually 9/6/2011. So that is the actual date, but this date has been formatted to be 6 September. Now the way we want to change this, we want to have it actually show the month, the day, and the year. So what we do, after we select the cell itself, we go up to our menu bar and we click on Format and then Cells. And this dialog box pops up. Now we want to make sure that there's a number of different tabs up here that we want to be aware of. We want to, for this one, we want to make sure that the number tab is pushed in, that it's selected with blue, and we want to make sure that the category here is for date. So we know that we're looking at formatting a date. All right, so we select on date. Right now, you see the word 6 September, which is what our cell says, is showing this format here, which would be a day and then the name of the month. So we want to change it to a month, a day, and a year. In this case, it would be a 2-digit year. So it won't be saying 2011. It will be simply saying 11. And here is a sample up at the top that actually shows what your data will look like when you finally click OK. So if we want this to say 9/6/11, a month, day, 2-digit year, that's fine. We click on the blue button that says OK, and you see that now our cell says 9/6/11. Now supposing we really wanted to have a 4-digit year instead of just a 2-digit year, we wanted it to actually say 9/6/2011. Again, we want to make sure to select that cell. We go up to Format, then Cells. We double check and make sure that we're looking at the right thing. We have our number format, and we're looking at dates. So we're going to take a look down in this box here and try to find something that has a month, a day, and a 4-digit year. Well, there's a few different kinds here. One that just has month, numeric month, day, 2000 year. We can have the month in the center. We can have it all written out. We actually just want this one here, which is very similar to this one. A 2-digit year, only it's just a 4-digit year instead. So we select that one. You can see how it's going to look up here in the sample. We click OK. And that's pretty much what we want. So let's do that to the others that we have here. Again, go down to the bottom here, where this is the format we want. We click OK. And we'll do that for the rest of these. We'll talk about how to select more than one at the same time in another video later.